I got this balloon column kit from Amazon for about $10. I'm gonna quickly show you guys what it looks like. I am not gonna link it below because there are literally so many, and I want you guys to look through it and find one of your own to figure out what works for you. The one that I got is metal. It comes with this retractable post. Here is what holds it in. So let's see. So yeah, basically you fill these up with water. Once you fill them up with water, you put them on top of here, and then you stick the thing in there. I am not going to be filling them up with water today for the sake of time. All right, y'all, it seems easy enough. It looks like they just give you a screw and a washer. You go ahead and stick that in there. You'll plop your water-filled weight. Screw it on top. You just screw it on top. Then from there, just pull it. I think I like this. We're gonna see how it does with weights. Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, I'm sorry guys. I might link this below. This one kind of goated. So basically, what I'm noticing is in this one, it comes with these toppers right here, which I'm going to show you helps you with your topper at the end. Which I believe we have some 18-inch toppers today, or 36. I think they're 36 inches. They're huge. Okay, guys. Every now and then, I will develop some latex sensitivity. So if ever you see that your face is a little red, a little itchy, or peeling, you might be developing a latex sensitivity too. So to fight that, what I personally do is I put on a mask and gloves. I don't know if I need the mask, but I for sure do need the gloves because I know I said in the first video, avoid touching your face. So what we're going to do first is we're going to start off counting out 22 balloons of one color. So I have 22 white balloons here, and then I have 22 blue balloons here, and this is for one column. So you need 44 balloons for one column. So if you have 2 columns, if Johnny had 2 apples, you hear where I'm going. This looks about right here. This is the size you want to go for. Ideally, what you might have is a balloon sizer at home that you can just stick this through. So here, after that, you just want to tie your balloons really tight and get your dupe, okay? Again, since this is just for practice, I'm eyeballing it, but ideally, you want to use a hand pump where you can count out how many strokes you did to make sure everything is uniform, or you want to use a sizing tool to make sure everything is uniform. And then also, some people take these here and they double knot them just for safety. And again, all right, guys, real quick, I'm gonna blow up my balloon topper, and I believe this is 36 inches. This is a nice size one. And then I'm gonna just put this to the side. So I transported my balloons to the site with my king size balloon bag. So what you want to do is you want, again, like I said before, take your dupe, make it a quad with these two on the same side. But what I failed to mention before was when you slide your balloons onto it, you want to slide it in between the 2 colors. So when you slide it in between the 2 colors, that's when you want to pull it over and lock it down. And then just keep pushing. Blowing your balloons up shouldn't take you no longer than 30 minutes, and putting this together shouldn't take you no longer than 30 minutes. You can sell this for about $100. I like to run specials on it for $50, but it's your world, baby. You want to make sure that you're walking around them to see if see a gap and it's bothering me. I don't like to be able to see the hole anywhere. Alright, so here we are. So when it's time to do your tie, it looks a little crazy from that angle, but you'll see it when we're done. And it should be just that light. I didn't put down any weight so I can do that. So you're gonna go ahead and take your topper and screw it in. Just like that. And again, this does go higher, but I don't need it that high today. Take your 36-inch balloon and you're going to pull it so that you know what? You're gonna take it and pull it just like this. And then from there, you're going to take the little lippy lips and do it just like that. And you're gonna screw it on in there. Okay, so again, all I did was I took it and I pulled it through, and then I pulled it through again. Some people get it closer to the cup and they put like the actual knot on the outside of it, but I don't do that because I don't want to bust my balloon, not this big old one. So you can do whatever is easiest for you. So you can either screw it in already together. You can do it like I did the first time, and then you just finish. And there you have it. So again, this shouldn't take you no longer than an hour, and you can charge anywhere between $50 to $100 and up. It's up to you and your clientele and your market.